Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the fuzz out once again, and we're going to go through the Torque app to see how all the settings are. Stay tuned. Alright guys, first up, I'm just going to go through the Torque app. So I'm going to open up the back, just have the ignition on, and just see how some things are. See how, well, what the engine light is. I believe it's TGVs, but something else might have popped up. Let's have a look at that. Alright guys, so I haven't actually connected to it yet. Not sure if this is the correct one everyone's talking about, but put the ignition on and we'll connect to it. Well, that sucks. It says unsuccessful. It's not supported. Let's see if I can find an Android phone hanging around. Found an old one. Let's see if this works. Well, I was wondering why my battery kept going flat. My burst controller's got constant power. Alright, so I can't get the Samsung to connect. Just text my assistant, she's got an old one. And probably one of the latest models anyways. Just laying around, so I'll probably end up getting that. So probably won't get that until Tuesday. So I won't be looking at sensors and whatnot. But we'll go for a quick drive. Alright guys. About 9:30 on a Saturday night, and I just can't be bothered. So I'm back out here tomorrow morning to move this and to get the Volkswagen in to do the brakes. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. I just fully zip tied the bumper on, so on the edges here, pop the inner liner in, so hopefully it doesn't scrape. It doesn't look like it's up against anything either, so it's good. There's the wastegate down there. From this side, it's all popped in. Bit of a crack there though. But we need to get the fuzz out to work on the Golf today. That will be, hey, damn it. We'll be coming back straight onto the fuzz anyway in this episode. Alright, so we'll get it out and park it back to where it was. And get started on the Golf. Alrighty guys, I am back. It's Tuesday. I've got the phone off my sister and I've downloaded the Torque Lite app. So let's see if it can connect. I just realized that I left my fuzz battery connected for the last 3 or 4 days. So 2 days. Let's see if it's all good. Yeah, it seems alright. Alright, see if we can connect. Got it on accessories. It's going to be crazy. Alright, so we are connected via Bluetooth. It's connecting to the ECU. Oh, it's connected, sorry. Connected. Don't know what I'm doing. Oh, acceleration. No, no. Fault codes. Show logged faults. What do you think it will be, guys? Got a lot. 5. Crankshaft position sensor. Let's see, here we go. Crankshafts, mass airflow. This one. Air intake. High input. That would be from the turbo. And O2 sensor. Which control range? I reckon that was all because of airflow. Clear. What's this one? A 2 sensor circuit. Slow response. I haven't even started the car and that came up. Right. Let's start the car. Sensor. Oh. Okay. Closed loop using O2 sensor for fuel mix. Well, there we go. Okay. Have to have a little play around. Alrighty boys, been playing around with it for a little bit. Still not sure. But we got the coolant up to 93 and the fans came on. It's the first time I've had the fans come on for say this year. Got throw position, which I've only got to 40%. But yeah, we're up to temp. Oil pressure's dropped down to just over 30 psi. At idle, it's been idling at like 750. We've got revs there as well. Fault it down. That's right. Intake temp 36 degrees. That's not. Yeah, that's intake temp. So I think that's a manifold. to work out what some of these things are. Vacuum, speed, acceleration, load, timing advanced. Yeah. Slowly working my way through it. So, I guess next time we'll actually go for a drive and I think we can map it so we can see what's going on, and I think I can export it as well. So yeah, if you like this episode, guys, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.